If you're looking to manage Facebook Pixel events within Practice Better, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set things up seamlessly so you can track and measure your website events like a pro. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing a better solution that's more focused on your goals with an exclusive free trial that you can't get anywhere else. Let's dive in. First, we need to get the Facebook Pixel installed within your Practice Better account. To do that, head to your Practice Better settings, then to the Integrations section. There, you'll find the option to input your Facebook Pixel ID. You'll want to grab that ID from your Facebook Ads Manager. Next, let's talk about events. Practice Better doesn't have a native event tracking system specifically built for Facebook, but you can set up your own custom events using Facebook's Pixel Helper tool. Once you have the Pixel ID set up, you'll start capturing basic actions, but you'll need to customize for more detailed event tracking, like when a user books an appointment or completes a payment. Now, the third thing to consider is event tracking through custom code. This is a bit more advanced, but Practice Better does allow you to add custom scripts to your pages. This means you can go into your account settings, navigate to the custom script section, and add the necessary Facebook Pixel code to track more specific events. This requires some technical knowledge, but if you've got it, it'll unlock more granular data collection for your ads. The fourth thing to keep in mind is testing your Pixel events. Once you've added the custom code or configured basic events, it's critical to verify everything's working correctly. You can use Facebook's Pixel Helper tool, a browser extension, to check if your events are firing properly. It'll let you know if anything's off, so you can fix it before diving into your ad campaigns. Finally, while Practice Better does a decent job integrating with Facebook Pixel, it's not as seamless or flexible as you might need. For more advanced event tracking, or if you need better reporting and analytics, a more dedicated solution might be in your best interest. That brings us to why I'm recommending an alternative. If you're truly serious about managing Facebook Pixel events and want a solution that's designed to help you track, analyze, and optimize your marketing efforts more effectively, I've found a great option. This software provides not only a smoother Facebook Pixel integration, but also gives you better insights into your campaigns without the need for a lot of custom coding or manual setup. The best part? Through my link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial so you can test out the full capabilities of this tool with benefits only available to our viewers. Plus, I'll also mention a few alternatives that might better suit your needs. Don't miss out on those. So, if you're ready to get more out of your Facebook Pixel tracking and practice better marketing with a smoother tool, check out the link in the description. Start your free trial today and take your practice to the next level.